An Arabic saying that goes, if you want to die, throw yourself in the ocean. You'll find yourself fighting to survive. You don't want to kill yourself. You want to kill something inside of you.
And she didn't even take any drugs. She would rain all day, couldn't wait for her son to
अरे हमें शरीफ समझने की गलती मत करना, हंसते हंसते मिटा देंगे हस्ती तुम्हारी।
अपनी औकात से बड़े सपने देखता हूँ, बचपन से देखे पहुंचा और बड़े सपने देख रहा हूँ। अभी आपको बताऊंगा, आप शायद हंसोगे, लेकिन वो मैं कर दूंगा 10 साल में, 12 साल में, 15 साल में।
ਐਵੇਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਿਲ ਜੀਏ ਸਬੱਬ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋਣ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ, ਮਜ਼ਹਬ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ। ਜਿਹਦਾ ਕਰਤਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਚੰਗੇ ਆ, ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਲਈ ਚੰਗੇ ਬਣੀਏ, ਰੱਬ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ।
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
When you don't have motivation to work out, just remember this famous quote.
Stop being a bitch and come on.
Sorry. I don't know why I'm crying. Because it hurts. Yeah.
I'm done. You don't have to worry anymore.
What do you mean?
I'm done trying to get you. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry it's taken me this long to figure it out, but I promise I'm done making a fool of myself.
Another week, another Monday, baby, and you know what that means. It means I'm coming to put a fire in your heart so hot that you can't stand not going after your goals. So remember who the fuck you are. What's your last name? Say that shit 3 times as loud as you can. Your ancestors fought and died to get you here with that name. Live up to it. Make them proud. Anything less is a dishonor to your family name. Don't let that happen.